as New Year is just around the corner. So let's keep our resolution of staying healthy and fit. So start your new year and new decade with something sweet. And of course, without any guilt and in a healthy way. I am sharing a recipe of a cake that you can dig in to celebrate 2021. Do check out the recipe that is full of nutrients and is free from refined sugar. So let's begin the recipe of wholesome, healthy and nutritious cake. We'll start with our dry ingredients. So I have taken a bowl and a sieve. Now I'm adding around 200 grams of multigrain flour. This is 1 cup of flour I'm adding here. And if you want, you can use whole wheat flour also. I have added half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. It has many medicinal properties and good for immunity, and it goes well with cake. Adding half teaspoon of baking soda and around 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I am adding half a teaspoon of cardamom powder to give it a good flavor. And slowly I'm gonna sieve all my ingredients. For wet ingredients, I am going to take half a cup of curd. So this is 100 grams of curd, and in the same measuring cup I have measured, in which I have taken multigrain flour. Next interesting ingredient is flax seeds. I have taken 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and soaked it in water for around 15 to 20 minutes. Flax seeds are full of nutrients and they are high in omega-3 fatty acids and even more richer in dietary fibers. Now I am adding 3 tablespoons of oil. I have taken olive oil, so any refined oil you can use in this. So here are the substitutes for sugar. I have taken 4 figs, 7 to 8 raisins and 7 to 8 dates. So we have to soak these ingredients. If you don't have figs, you can only use dates and raisins. Here I have soaked figs, dates and raisins, and now I am going to puree it. I am going to add this into my wet ingredients. See, these are natural sources of sugar, and figs are really sweet, and they are a very good source of calcium and potassium. So it's better to use natural sources of sugar instead of adding refined sugars. Moreover, dates are also a good source of antioxidants, and we should include this in our diet. Now I am going to mix all our wet ingredients. Now our all wet ingredients are mixed well. You can even use hand beater or balloon whisker to mix this. It's time to mix wet and dry ingredients. So I'm going to mix it in our wet ingredients, and we'll just give it a mix by cut and fold method. Now we'll slowly mix it. Now if at this point you find your batter thick, you can add some milk. Add milk. And we'll keep checking the consistency of our batter. Batter is now almost ready. It must be of little flowing consistency. Make sure you should not overmix your cake batter. So now I have lined my cake tin with butter paper. If you don't have butter paper, you can even grease it simply. And we'll pour our cake batter into this. We will bake this cake in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. If your cake tin is smaller, you can bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. Now we will prepare our cake icing. For that I have taken soaked dates and puree it finely with little water. As we are making chocolate icing, so I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder to this. Few drops of oil we will add, and now we will just mix it. If you want more icing, so you can take more dates and add proportionate amount of cocoa powder. Meanwhile, our cake is also ready, so now we will just decorate it with our icing. You can see how soft the loaf is. So we will allow it to cool down. I have taken this piping bag and I'm gonna pour our icing into this. We'll decorate our cake with this chocolate icing. So I'm using little of it. If you want, you can even spread it on whole cake. So by using any nozzle, you can make design of your choice. And then I'm going to cover it with fruits. So I'm adding cherry on the top. Finally, I'm going to add some strawberry. You can add any fruits of your choice. You can add kiwi or oranges, any fresh fruit you can add to your cake. And in the last, I'm adding some almond flakes. So friends, celebrate your new year 2021 with this guilt-free, sugar-free, healthy and nutritious cake. Happy New Year!